You work hard for your money, and lurking on the end of the telephone line or the internet is a criminal mind just waiting to access your funds or your personal information. Consumer scams are becoming more frequent with each passing day. And since June, the Swift Current City RCMP have investigated 20 cases where local residents have lost money and products while engaging in an online classifieds transaction. Corporal Greg Smith explains how the scam works.
Is where a person is selling an item online on a website such as Kijiji or what have you. And what the scammer is doing is contacting them, agreeing to purchase the item, and then sending a check through the mail of a value exceeding that of the agreed upon price, and then requesting that the seller refund the balance to them. Ways that people can identify that. First of all, it's very strange. It's not something that you typically expect. Secondly, the checks do appear fake.
This is just the latest of a series of scams residents have fallen victim to. From having your computer fixed over the telephone to finding out you've won the lottery, but must send cash to access your winnings. Corporal Smith goes on to add that fraudsters usually target communities with a higher population of seniors, as these individuals are usually more trusting. He further adds that you should always be leery about giving out your personal information over the telephone or on the internet.
Nowadays, the world has changed from the way it was 10, 15, 20 years ago. People are able to access all kinds of different information and withdraw funds from your account without you even knowing it. So you're absolutely right. It's my advice, and the advice of the RCMP is for people just to be very aware of the ability of scammers and fraudsters to access your personal information and your banking information and access your funds.
Anyone believing they've fallen victim to a fraudster or wishing to report any suspicious calls, emails, or other correspondence should contact their local RCMP.